हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्कार। मेरा नाम डॉक्टर दुष्यंत प्रदीप है और आज मैं आपके बीच में हूँ। एक छोटा सा इनिशिएटिव हम सबके लिए, एक लर्निंग इनिशिएटिव है, एक लेक्चर सीरीज ऑन ई टूल्स एंड देयर मैनेजमेंट। मुझे बहुत सारी सपोर्ट और मोटिवेशन मिली है कल्चरल एंड एकेडमिक सेल डायरेक्टर स्कूल एजुकेशन जम्मू के हेड श्री सुजीत सर जी से। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो दिस लेक्चर सीरीज पूरी तरह से बेस्ड होगी ई टूल्स पे, या आप इसे कह सकते हो ई लर्निंग टूल्स। As during this last complete 1 year, we have gone through a paradigm shift from our, you can say, the old education delivering system to a new education delivering system in which we have moved from the physical appearance to a virtual appearance. Physical interaction with the students are between the student and the teacher to a virtual interaction. That is mostly, you can say, due to this COVID pandemic. So we have to shift ourselves, our pedagogy to a new level, new systems, new group of tools we are using these days. We have already used most of these tools. So just have an overview for this so that we can learn, we can know more about them. So somehow our students will also learn from these that how they can use this for their utility and for the delivery of their content and the transportation of their content from one place to another. So let's start. I have just divided this series in small sessions. So let's have a series outline for that. So pehla session jo hoga, that will be on the introduction to e-tools. Second section will be on the working of different communication platforms. Third session will be based purely on the Google Apps जो हम यूज करते हैं मोस्टली कम्युनिकेशन के लिए, डाटा स्टोरेज के लिए, डाटा कम्युनिकेशन के लिए और डाटा को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह फ्लो करवाने के लिए. Say fourth session will be on the two of the most important Microsoft applications, which are Microsoft Word and Excel. And the last session will be on the feedback and the assessment of what we have done in previous sessions. So fourth session जो होगा, that will be introduction to various e-learning tools. जितने भी e-learning tools हैं उनके बारे में, how many types are there, how we are using them for different purposes, कौन कौन से हैं और उनमें से कुछ की बात करेंगे हम कि उनको हम आसानी से किस तरह से यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड देयर आर सर्टेन फ्रीवेयर, देयर आर सर्टेन payment based application tools. We will talk about that. In the second session, we will talk about certain communication platforms. These days we are moving our data from one place to another, communication, our messages mostly on the WhatsApp, and that is one of the most popular among all the community over here. And the next one will be the Zoom app, in which we are having the face-to-face or live communication with one another, whether it is an official communication or some other the communication between a teacher and student. Next one is the Skype, that is also from the Microsoft, and the next one with the Google Meet, that is also one of the very important communication tool between the people. There are other communication tools also which are governed, we can say, the controlled by the Cisco and the WebEx also. Third session will be purely about the different Google apps, whether it is Google Meet, Google Mail, Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Calendar. So we will talk about them, and the very important one, how we can use the Google Forms for delivering for the assessment. Fourth session will be based upon the two of the tools of the Microsoft. We are also having one another very popular tool from the Microsoft, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. But in this session, we're purely talking about MS Word and MS Excel. Okay, and these two very much aware we are the word processor, and other is, you can say, the data are the comparison software. Done. So next session, it will be not a complete session, it will be a virtual link to you in which we will collect feedback from you, how we have delivered the content to you, how it can be better, what we have learned, what should be improved, what should be added, and how we can move to the next level. And the next one will be the assessment, how we have learned, what we have learned, and up to which extent we have learned, how this could be the better one. Assessment will be purely on the lecture series that we have gone through this e-learning tools. Thank you very much. I am very positive to receive the feedback on you. अभी आपके सामने मैंने इसकी आउटलाइन रखी है. स्टार्ट करने से पहले भी अगर कोई ई कंटेंट का कोई ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म इसमें ऐड करना चाहता है, कोई फीडबैक देना चाहता है, कुछ ऐसा जो हम बेहतर कर सकें ड्यूरिंग दिस स्मॉल सीरीज ऑफ दैट, you are very welcome. It can be positive or negative. Criticism can also be an improvement for me, for learning will be for me. So please send the email that is just before you, that is dusyant3186@gmail.com. So your feedback will be appreciable, your content addition or deletion will be appreciable. So thank you very much. See you soon during this interaction on these platforms, during these sessions. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful time ahead. Enjoy. Meet you on the same page, same place on this page of the Culture and Academic Cell, DSEJ, Jammu. Thank you very much. Goodbye.